Hi guys, this is just a quick overview of what you are going to be doing this week. So you can watch the video and or you can read the page, same information on both. But first what you're going to do is you are going to take the 0.14 notes. The video is right here. There is an additional short video on those notes also after that, so please make sure to watch that. Then you're going to do a worksheet and you're going to use your annotating on your screen in order to solve that. No work, no credit on that worksheet because I need to make sure that you're doing the work correctly. And then there is a Schoology assignment right here. After that, you're going to do the next set of notes, which is the quadratic formula. And again, there's a small section of notes that's continue. After that, you have an annotating worksheet that you need to do using your screen again. And then there is a Schoology assignment for the quadratic formula. So there's essentially two concepts being taught this week: is quadratic formula, and then using factoring in order to solve for quadratics. After that, you are going to review for the quiz. It's just going to be a quiz, not a test, over the entire review unit. So included in that will be perfect squares, simplifying radicals, using the square root method to solve quadratics, using factoring to solve quadratics, and using the quadratic formula to solve quadratics. So those 5 concepts are going to be on the quiz. So what I recommend is that you finish all this work by Tuesday, because on Tuesday I'm going to open up the quiz, and you're going to have all day Tuesday to start and finish that quiz. You're not going to have all day to actually work on it. The moment that you open it, you're going to have 45 minutes to turn it in. So if you walk away, if you do something else, you have 45 minutes and it's going to turn in after the 45 minutes. I am not going to give you extra time. So if you tell me that I didn't know that I couldn't turn it in later, it doesn't work. I'm sorry guys, I gotta have some stability here. So the moment you start, it's on a timer, 45 minutes, it will automatically turn it in. 45 minutes is plenty of time for you to get the questions completed. So if you're worried about your time and how long it takes you, that is plenty of time to do that. So I will not accept any work after you've taken the quiz. So make sure all your work from the beginning of this beginning of this review unit is completed, because I'm not going to accept any work from this unit after you've taken the quiz. Make sure to jump on the calls, the pop-up calls, if you have any questions, or you can get a one-on-one with me if you would like. Hope everything's going well. Bye.